I'll tell you something. The state law requires us. We're supposed to be guardians of the purse for the county. That's our biggest responsibility in the county, is to make sure that the county money is spent properly and is accountable. And from that, you know, I don't think I have any problems. I know virtually none of us that I've ever talked to on the Forum Board has any problems on what monies the fire districts spend. I don't think that's a problem. Matter of fact, I like to see more money because I think this is a priority. We need fire protection in the county, and I think more money, if that's the answer, hopefully we can find more money for you folks. And I think it's important that we find more money for you folks for public safety, so you have the proper equipment, have everything you need, and so that you can do the job. And also, if we do a better job, all our fire premiums go down in the county. That's right. If we can somehow, you know, we need to find out where we're at today, what it takes to improve each of our fire districts. Everybody, I'm sure, has similar but different reasons why what they need to do. And if we can get all that accomplished, I think all of us would be better off in the long run. State law also requires that we have a contract with you folks. If we give you money, we have to have a contract. And all this is some paperwork to document that we're fulfilling our responsibilities, I think, in the county as quorum court members. And you guys can easily meet this. If you can't, I'd be totally shocked and surprised. A couple fuel bills that's all you'd have to show that that's what you spent the money on, and you'd be done.
Well, Tony, this is the way it is with grants, because with the forestry, I see it. I've been there for 26 years, and I've seen they've not changed any wording from it at all. But it changes from this. Okay, you can spend it on fuel and propane. Last week, $1,350 for propane. Then somebody else, maybe not you, somebody else is going to come along. We want something tangible. You can't spend it on that. You're going to have to buy this. Okay, we buy this. Well, it's going to have to be that we can see it. We can't see that electric bill. We can't see that propane burning. So now it's going to have to be something that we can come and touch and see. And then they turn around and then, okay, and then they're in there. It just keeps on growing. I've seen it with my own agency's deal. And I'm not saying that, okay, there's accountability. I understand that. But only one I can speak for, you can come to our fire board meetings every month, and our secretary will give you a statement which tells you where that money, so you've met that obligation. We signed a contract back the first year. That meets that obligation. Am I looking at this wrong?
I think all you need to do is send that statement in, and you fulfill the contract on where you spent the money.
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying, we've signed a contract early.
Everyone needs to get the equal amount. I don't want my fire.
Yeah, that's where it's going to change.
If I get more than Hilltop, that's not.
Well, I'm sure Hilltop won't get none now, right?
Excuse me.
I can say that Boone County.
I have
I'm talking. Excuse me.
I apologize.
Give me a chance. Boone County Fire Association is a tight-knit bunch of people. We're about 400 strong out there.
That's what I'm saying.
And I don't think any department, I don't like what I read in the top of this here at all, any department that gets $1,750, everybody needs to get $1,750.
But it says right there, no guarantee.
I'm reading that. That's what I agree with that. Okay.
The suggestion